Hi, and welcome to umnify. In this video, we would like to show you the bulk update feature. This feature is super handy if you want to change several entries in an app at the same time without having to edit each entry individually. For example, if you want to edit a status or responsibilities for several contacts. And this is how it works. First, open an app. Here, you will see the grid view with an overview of all your entries. In this example, we want to edit the greeting for all contacts. To select multiple contacts, simply tick the checkbox to the left of the desired entries. If you want to select all entries on the current page, click on the checkbox at the top left. If you really want to edit all entries in the entire app, also click on Select All Items. Once you've made your selection, click on Bulk Update. You can now edit the desired field for all selected entries at once. Finally, click on Update Items at the bottom right and confirm the action. That's it already. And it doesn't matter which umnify app you use, the bulk update feature always works the same way. If you have any questions, just get in touch with our support team at support@umnify.com. Thanks for watching. See you next time.